The 10 best credit card of October 2023. While credit cards something get a bad rap, having the best credit card of at least the one that best for you can make your life easier and more rewarding. And it's been at least 3 years since you put your current credit card in your purse or wallet. Now's the time to consider your options and see if a different credit card might serve you better. How well a new credit card can help by temporarily letting you finance the thing you need to buy at 0% interest on consolidating debit at a lower interest rate. Perhaps you just want to make sure you are earning as many reward as possible when you are ordering online or having food delivered to your home or booking that long needed vacation. Our comprehensive methodology compares every aspect of each credit card to our benchmark credit card to determine which card can potentially help you the most. So give yourself a few minutes to take a look at our list of the best credit card for October 2023 and see if one might be useful to you right now. The best credit cards of October 2023. Best for flat rate cashback double cash card, best of beginners cash sapphire preferred card, best for flexible rewards cash freedom flex, best for US supermarts blue cash everyday card from American Express, best for dining American Express gold card, best for paying rent build wealth elite mastercard, best for balance transfers city Diamond Preferred Card, Best Introductor Rate of Purchases, US Bank Visa Platinum Card, Best for Small Businesses, the Blue Business Plus Credit Card from American Express, Best for Larger Businesses, Capital One Spark Miles of Business. Why did we select these cards as our best credit card for October? Dive into the details of each card with us and see how they stack up. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.